what is the topic class meeting? Do you remember it? So the topic class meeting is all about fortune. What is this? I saw this. Oh, no one is listening. I'm asking, what is the topic class meeting? Math. Okay. Word alive. Word problem. Word problem. How about word problem? What is word problem? The spelling is W-O-R-D-P-R-O-B-L-E-M. Okay? So, what is word problem? Example. What is example in sasatay? Tayo. Buhaya. What? Number one. Oksa. Oops. Example two. Oksa has 5 books. Oksa has 5 books. May 5 pencils.